Hi and welcome to WP Optimizer. In a moment, I'll show you how you can quickly and easily speed up your WordPress website in just a few clicks. So follow me while I switch over to my computer so you can see WP Optimizer in action. Okay, so we're running a speed test on a colleague's website right now. And as you can see in this Pingdom speed test, that it's taken over 8 seconds to load. This is a real sales page made in WordPress, and as you would expect, this product didn't sell very well. Now, I'm going to fix this with WP Optimizer right now to show you how powerful this product really is. I'm not going to go through all the features, we're just going to go over the first 3 features, which are optimizing the images, optimizing the database, and enabling lazy load, so you can see in real time the massive improvements WP Optimizer will make to this website. Okay, let's run the image optimization first. Obviously, if you have large images or many images uploaded, it can take a few minutes to complete. Then once that's done, I'll optimize the database and then make sure lazy load is enabled over here. Okay, let's now see what happens to the speed test after just doing that. Okay, I'm on the Pingdom speed test website. I'll add the URL here and then click Start Test. Let's wait for that to finish. And as you can see, we went from over 8 seconds load time to just 1.28 seconds. That's over 500% improvement. The image sizes dropped from over 19 megabytes to just 1.8 megabytes without losing any image quality at all. And from 17% faster, this website is now faster than 84% of all websites tested on Pingdom. As you can see, that is a massive improvement. Now, we all want fast sites for better rankings, higher conversions, lower bounce rates, and a better user experience. But the problem is that all the speed products on the market only do half the job. You see, there are 6 main speed problems that we should all look at. Problem number 1. Some hosts are badly located and have poor connectivity, which means your site will be slow regardless of anything that you do. Problem number 2. Many hosts are slow or badly configured, but how do you know if that's really the case? Problem number 3. Many themes and plugins slow down your site, but it's hard to tell which products are causing you issues without wasting a huge amount of time testing. Problem number 4. Most images we upload are too bulky. It's simply too much work to optimize each graphic individually. And who has the time for that, right? Problem number 5. The WordPress database naturally bloats with use. Things like post revisions and orphan plugin data that make your site even slower. Problem number 6. Pages with many graphics load slower. This eats your bandwidth, slows down your site, and costs you in lost rankings. But almost every WordPress speed up product right now either focuses on cache, plugin diagnostics, database optimization, or lazy loading images, which means you need half a dozen plugins just to address some of these issues. Now, most experienced WordPress users know that this is a recipe for headaches and conflicts. So that's why we created WP Optimizer. As you've just seen earlier, WP Optimizer covers all the major speed issues. It identifies and monitors your site and server issues, giving you recommendations of what actions to take. It identifies problem themes and plugins so you know exactly what to disable to make your site faster. It batch optimizes your existing graphics and auto-optimizes all newly uploaded images, decreasing your load time and saving you hours optimizing stuff manually. It does a thorough database and automatic optimization, removing needless site junk and clutter, keeping your site lighter and faster. And it allows you to lazy load your images, saving you bandwidth and decreasing your page load time. So with WP Optimizer, your site will be up to 70% less lighter and up to 600% faster. This, of course, will help you with your Google rankings, which means more traffic and sales. Your visitors will have a better user experience, which means more time on site and lower bounce rates. Your site will eat less bandwidth, which means lower hosting costs. And your site will use less processor and memory resources, which means more simultaneous users on site without needing to upgrade your hosting plan. Now we have a special offer on this product for you, so check out the deal below and start optimizing your sites today with the best product for the job. On behalf of the Cyber Tactics team, I'm David Cassar. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on board.